Now let's compare JBC tip, the knife tip. Okay, this is knife tip. This is JBC knife tip. This is FoneKong knife tip. Let's compare JBC tip to FoneKong tip. Okay, let's have a look. JBC tip. Look, C21001AH. Okay, this is JBC tip. Let's first install JBC tip. JBC. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's clean the pads. This is middle frame pads. The solder temperature 217, high temperature, right? 217. Put a little bit flux. First put a bit flux. This is original JBC tip. Okay, clean. Very nice. And then wicket. Wicket. Okay, let's see. Wick. This is original JBC tip to wicket. Very good. Right? And then clean it. 洗一下. Let's clean. Okay, look. Nice, okay? And then FoneKong tip. Let's see, FoneKong tip. This is FoneKong tip. Okay, take off. This is JBC, right? Take off JBC tip. This is FoneKong tip. Install. Put it. Very hot. Oh my God. Okay, clean with, this is FoneKong tip, okay? FoneKong tip. Look. Same as original. Very smoothly. Very nice. Put a little bit flux. Look, very nice. And then wicket. Wicket. Let's see. Melting very good. Melting very well. Same as original JBC tips. Clean it. Look, perfect, right? Okay, let's take a look, compare. This is FoneKong tip cleaning. Okay, this is JBC cleaning. Same, right? Same. 再看一下 compare, all same. Yeah, good.